Again, really nice 379 Peterbilt reman CAT engine, 13.2 front, 12 rear drop, and then 46 rears, full locker, sliding fifth wheel, dual fuel tanks, straight piped. C15 engine does have, looks like LED lights on the front, LED lights on the bottom, toolbox on the side here, another fuel tank. This set up to take a 17-foot dump body. He said it still has the hinge pins in the back with the pintle hitch plate. Said it's plumbed for a pup. They were hauling transfers with it initially, and then just set it up for a fifth wheel truck. So unbolt the plate. He said you can unbolt the plate and put a box on there without a problem. Not sure if you have to move the hydraulic tank or not. Sounds like it's where the hydraulic tank sits. And away you go. Really nice clean truck, part of retirement sale. There's two identical trucks. This truck right here, 19, and then there's 21 that's also selling on the same auction, along with this Mack dump trailer. And then the other trucks right there, along with all these tanks, or all the walking floor